Hey Scots, my name is Emily Siefken. I am from the class of 2016. I was a former student athlete at Monmouth. I played basketball and softball there. I also worked in the volleyball office as well. And I moved on to Illinois State University where I got my master's degree in sport management in 2018. And I've been at Illinois State ever since, and I am currently the director of volleyball operations here at Illinois State. And today we're going to talk a little bit about how learning takes humility. Okay, let's go back to the spring of 2013. I wanted to be a physical education teacher. I thought maybe I wanted to go into the sciences and be a physical therapist or something of that nature before really honing in on the business and the behind the scenes fun stuff that I do now. So I took a biology class. Some of you are probably in biology right now. I struggled in that class, and I went to every class, every tutor, every lab session, every office hour that I could, and I just couldn't figure out the material. I was so defeated, so humiliated. I got a D- in the class, guys, like, gotta be really honest. Like, it's okay, like, got a D-. But I was so humiliated because I was one of the only people who couldn't figure it out in my class. I just couldn't do it. And so going up to the part where you guys talk about relationships and learning takes relationships. I talked with Miss Braun, I talked with Coach Carrie Shimon, and we really just honed in on what I wanted to do in my career, what I wanted that to look like. And to get a D-, I've never gotten a D- ever in my entire life. High school, that was my first time. And to be a freshman and to get, you're trying to make a good impression on all your professors, got a D-. Like, I hope they don't look down on me. Nope, I have a great relationship with that biology professor. Like, he did not shame me for that, no guilt shame. Yeah, you can feel bad about it, but you've got your entire college career ahead of you to really make improvements and really make gains. So keep grinding out there, Scots. Let's do this.